Hey guys, it's Albi here, and right now I'm in Pattaya. We came here last night because my husband is doing a project here, which is a really interesting project. They're recording new tracks for Thai artists with international producers, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of behind the scenes of the project. But right now I just want to show you my room. This is our view, and the beach is right over there. We're really lucky. It's nice and sunny. Hotel is Greece, and they have a lot of arts reminding you about it. And overall, there's a lot of white and blue color. We have a really nice and spacious, comfortable bed. And we also have this common area to hang out. I think it's really nice to have this extra space in the room because it just makes it better, and I like to work while I'm on holiday, so I have a little workstation over here. And I already unpacked a bit of a wardrobe. So yeah, I feel like this extra space in the hotel, I wish they had a table over here too, like a nice coffee table, but this is just fine for what I have to do. I got onto the 8th floor and I'm the only person here. This hotel is so lovely, but it's really empty. So I'm gonna have a dip into the pool. Hey, hey, I'm here. I'm here. If you guys know how to control Osmo, please leave it in the comments. You're so cute. Hey guys, so we are at the Karma Sound recording studio in Bang Saray. It's a recording studio located just outside of Pattaya, and it's really gorgeous. They have an amazing property. They have 2 recording studios, and they actually have some rooms. Some of the artists, they stay here while recording the album, and they have their own swimming pool. They have really friendly, great staff taking care of everyone, making food and really making you feel at home while creating new music. Can you tell me about your artist and who you're working with this project?
So we have two Tier 1 artists coming, which is the Violet Wartier and Miyahara and Season. And sorry, I gotta do this presentation. Today we have Season 5. The whole band came here and they gonna be doing the Thai lyrics of what SYPS and Holophonic's been working on, doing a 2 version, like English and Thai song.
Cool.
So now they're recording a Thai version. So I'm very busy right now.
Thank you. Hey Diana. So I was just asking Oi about the project. Yeah. Can you tell me a few words too?
Sure. So I'm here with Jeff Miyahara for K-pop, and I'm Deanna. I'm so happy to be in Thailand right now. What we're doing is we're actually here for a songwriting trip, and we're working with Hollaphonic and a bunch of amazing Thai artists. So it's really been fun to be in the studio recording, and yeah, it's been lovely to get to know you.
It's been really fun. Yesterday was really fun.
Yes, it really was, and it's only day 2, so we have another few days. So it's so lovely to meet you and Oe, and thank you for having us.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
I love the beginning of that second verse. That's my favourite bit so far.
Yeah.
This bit. It's a vibe. It's a proper vibe.
Yeah. First, and then we're about to hit the pre-hook.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about what this song's about?
It's about, the song in Thai name is called Nghi Ngao.
Nghi Ngao.
Nghi Ngao is like, like sometimes you be silly with your lover, right? But deep down it's like all the lyrics in this song is about telling the reason why that you're silly, because you love her.
Oh.
It's like you care for her. Yeah, like.
So do you have any real stories that you want to share with us about?
It's like some of the lyrics says that sometimes when you like hit the call to your girl like many times during the day, you want to ask her where she is, right? It's like because you feel like is in the world she's the one person in the world and cannot like afford to lose her.
Yeah, I get it, 100%.
It's like
trend word of the year for 2019, 2020 is gonna be
Nghi Ngao.
Nghi Ngao, for sure.
Yep.
Should we actually everyone around?
Hey.
Yeah.
Don't mind if you copyright me now. Start t-shirt hats,
Great.
It's been amazing for this couple of days just to observe all the artists, the producers and the singers, and all the songs are just so cool. I'm really excited to share them with you guys. I'm gonna add all the songs in the description. They will be available on Jokes, and I'm just so inspired to be here and to watch this extremely creative people working on the music.